สวัสดีค่ะ
Hello everybody, bonjour tout le monde, hola, buenos dias. Today I have for you a very nice villa here at the Costa Blanca, Calpe in Spain. Let's say that is the nicest villa of urbanization Mary Villa here in Calpe. Let me show you around. This villa has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. It's built on a double plot only 8 years ago, so it's still a fairly new villa. The views are really spectacular. So here we have the big entrance. It's very nice decorated too, and everything is tiled, the walls and the floors. Big living room with splendid sea view, infinity pool, very nice decorated everything. So there we have the American kitchen. Fully equipped kitchen has really everything, and a second kitchen you can use to prepare the dishes. And then when everything is prepared, you use the proper kitchen. So here we have the stairs of inox to go upstairs. Very nice, painted. So here we have the first bedroom. The wonderful sea view and view on the swimming pool. With an ensuite bathroom, of course. What would you expect? Very nice finish. It's all floor heating. Dressing room, very practical, next to the bedroom. Here we have a guest toilet. So now we go upstairs. The stairs is a glass stair and has LED lights inside. Change color. And then here we have a kind of a living room study, also with the same splendid views. And a bedroom here. With an ensuite bathroom, and here, while you're taking a bath, you can enjoy the sea view. Very nice decoration, wall painting. It's a copy of Dali. Another guest toilet of this level. And the bedroom with sea view, of course. Everything has sea view here. Ensuite bathroom. The fourth bedroom. And another ensuite bathroom. So here we go downstairs to the garage. See, everything is nicely tiled. Even the garage is tiled. Look what a huge garage. You can park 3 cars here underneath. So 1 there and 2 more here. So in fact the house has 2 entrances, so 1 upstairs and 1 downstairs. So you can enter straight with your car into the garage. Very practical. And here we go up to the swimming pool area. Now it's a little bit windy, but in summer it's wonderful here. And look at the views. Wow. And an infinity pool with a separate part, kind of a jacuzzi with heated water. And the pool has also an automatic cover. And here is the outside sitting area. And the outside kitchen over there. If you like the video so far, then please smash the thumbs up button below. And if you're interested to watch more videos about properties for sale or for rent here in Calpe, then please hit that subscribe button. I hope you like this video, and I hope you find the right property. See you next time. Thank you for watching.